Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Khairuddin. In here, I would like to review journal. The title Development of Remote Industrial Laboratory for Automatic Control based on Node-RED, and the writer or author Manuel Dominguez, and masuk indication breakdown of study. The development of engineering education, especially in the field of automatic control, has highlighted the importance of laboratory-based learning. However, conventional laboratories often face limitations such as restricted access, high operational costs, and scheduling difficulties for students. With the advancement of digital technologies and online learning platform, remote laboratory have emerged as practical solution to this challenge. They allow students to interact with real industrial system without being physical present in this content. Tools like Node-RED and communication protocols such as MQTT offer promising opportunities to simple the creation of remote lab environment while improving accessibility and efficiency. And then to novelty, this research introduced a novel approach to building a remote industrial laboratory by integrating Node-RED with the MQTT communication protocol. The uniqueness, unique, uniqueness of this system lies in its simplified architecture, which enable seamless interaction between multiple users and industrial equipment. It also features a layered structure consisting of instructor and student interface connected through a central broker, ensuring better system control and safety compared to traditional remote lab system. This approach provides a more flexible, scalable, and user-friendly solution that reduce technical complexity while maintaining efficiency functionality. Then number 3, research theory. The study is based on several theoretical foundations, including automatic control system theory, which explain how industrial process can be monitored and regulated efficiently. It also draws on concepts from distributed system and client-server architecture, particularly though the use of MQTT as a lightweight messaging protocol for real-time communication. Additionally, the research incorporates principle of human-computer interaction to design intuitive user interface, as well as educational theory supporting remote and experimental learning, which emphasizes the importance of hands-on practice even in virtual environment. Number 4, research problem. The research addresses several significant issues in the implementation of remote laboratory. One major problem is the difficulty of integrating diverse hardware and software components into a unified system. Another challenge is the limited accessibility of traditional industrial laboratory, which restrict student opportunities for practical learning. Furthermore, the complexity of automation system can create barrier for students who are still developing their technical skill. There are also concerns related to safety and security when providing remote access to real industrial equipment, which must be carefully managed. And number five, reset question. And first, how can a remote laboratory for automatic control be designed using Node-RED? Number and second, how can MQTT facilitate communication and integration between system components? And third, how can the system ensure safety while allowing student interaction with real equipment? And fourth, how can usability and accessibility for students be improved in remote labs? And number six, research methods. The research employs a design and development approach focused on creating and testing a functional system. It begins with designing the overall architecture, which included instructor and student client connected through a central broker. The system is then implemented using Node-RED and MQTT with integration of industrial hardware such as PLC, stroke Modbus TCP. User interface are developed to facilitate interaction, and the complete system is tested within a laboratory environment to evaluate its performance, usability, and effectiveness in supporting remote learning. And last conclusion, the study concluded that the proposed remote laboratory system successfully addressed the challenge of accessibility, integration, and usability in automatic control education. By utilizing Node-RED and MQTT, the system enable efficient communication between components and provide an intuitive interface for user. It also ensures safety through centralized control mechanisms. Overall, the research demonstrates that this approach is a practical and effective solution for developing scalable and user-friendly remote laboratories that enhance students' learning experience. And thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Aduh, berat berak lagi.